been a while. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Had a couple things happen to us, so we haven't really gone. Well, we haven't really done a fishing trip yet. We've done some bank fishing, but we haven't really been able to take a vehicle out or take the boat out because of the car accident. So finally got a new truck. There will be a video on that one as well. I did a pretty cool thing on like the modifications I've done. Yeah, pretty excited. We're going to the same pond that we usually go to. This time it's a little early. We got our energy drink and we got our Starbucks. We're ready to roll. So we will see how it goes. Well, look at that. We made it. It's nice and calm.
The weather is cold.
It's cold. You got to get the boat in though. So here we go. We just got out here. I got a little setup on this boat. A zip tied a rod thing. I don't know. I'll show it later. It's like one of those camera holders. But yeah, we got ourselves a little camera mount on the boat. Wait's fishing with a whopper plopper this morning. See if we can get a topwater bite. I think I'm gonna throw a wacky rig.
We're gonna be throwing a whopper plopper that we got at Best Pro Shop this week or this last weekend. Nice one. Got him! Got one! Let's go! Got one!
Yeah!
First one on the board with the whopper plopper!
Whopper plopper this morning! Topwater bite!
Let's go!
Yeah!
First whopper plopper one of the day! Let's go!
Any fire?
No, I got it. First topwater fish ever! Let's go!
Wait,
Let's get a picture.
Man, so he just learned how to do a whopper plopper this morning, and he just caught one. That was awesome. How'd that feel?
Good. I haven't caught one a bass in a while.
That's awesome. That was awesome. Good job, buddy. Good job.
Topwater fish ever. Oh God!
Oh my God.
Got him! Let's go!
I'm about to throw topwater on.
Get a topwater. Get a topwater. It's a big one. It's a good 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 one. It's a bucket. It's a bucket mouth. It's a bucket mouth. I barely hooked.
Yeah!
Barely hooked. Bucket mouth.
Yeah! Oh my
Bucket mouth.
gosh.
Bucket mouth.
You got yourself? I don't know where the pliers are.
I don't need pliers.
I got him. Let's go!
3-pounder.
Let's go! Let's go! Yeah!
The whopper plopper.
Yeah!
Oh. Oh yeah. Look at that mouth.
Look at that mouth. Yeah!
Bucket mouth.
Good job. Oh, Lake Mark. Dude, good job. Give it a good put back.
Oh. Let's go!
Good job.
I saw one pop its head out of the water and I just cast it next to its head. That's a bucket mouth! Just reeling it in. We got him. Oh my gosh! That was the second cast! 2 in a row! That's a dinker. I fouled hooked him.
Look, we got another one.
I fouled.
Oh, yeah, you did. Get him out.
Yeah, it's a foul hook.
Yeah.
They're out there. Second one of the day. I mean, third. Yeah, she foul hooked. Right there. Just let this one go.
Good job, buddy.
I want you to catch one too. Uh-oh.
I bet he's catching one too.
Oh my god, you called it! It's another dinker. I've never caught 4 in a row again. This is the second time I've caught 4.
You just caught 4 within what, 30, 20 minutes?
No, more like 5 minutes.
Dude. Sheesh. Good job. And I've only had 2 casts in the water. Dang, man.
More to the board.
Good job. This is awesome.
We need to get more of those waffle poppers.
Yeah.
Shout out to Bass Pro Shop.
Yeah. Let me see this thing. Oh. He just got one of them $2 Whopper Ploppers that are in the middle aisle. It's working.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. People. Good job, man. Good job.
That's what I try. Got him.
Golly,
Let's
man.
go. Hey, it looks like a good one. It's a good fighter. Oh yeah, bucket mouth. It's a good one. Oh, it's a good one.
That is a good one.
Yeah. Gosh dang it. That's 6.
Top 0.
Hey, it's alright. Do we have pliers?
Good job. I don't care. I'll catch 0 all day.
Do we have pliers? Do we have pliers?
Oh, yes, yes. You got it?
That's a good one. Alright, nice little 2-pounder, maybe 1 pound.
Nice job. Nice job.
You want to put it back?
No, I don't.
Why?
That's like bragging.
No? You let me put back your fish.
I had one jump. Put it back in. All right, well, since the Whopper Plopper seems to be working, I'm putting one on. Oh boy. And when it comes to tying on crankbaits, especially fishing with kids, I just do a cinch knot. Sometimes I'll do the improved cinch knot. Some people call it something else. But where you put it through the bottom hole. And then you take it through the other one. And that's it. All right. Let's see if I can get some whopper plopper action. This is the new throne. Find me. Stay on there. Stay on there.
Oh, it's a good one.
Oh, hooked him right in the eyeball.
That's a good one.
Oh, man, we're gonna have to finagle this one. Quit it. I need pliers. Heyo, heyo.
It's a good one.
Dad's on the board. Oh yeah! Didn't get skunked.
Well, now we're gonna head to the motor pool, which is right next door from this pond. We just finished up with our top waters with about 10 fish on the board, and we're gonna try and see if we can catch some more at the motor pool, the home pond that we usually go to for the videos.
This one's bird bath pond.
Yeah. Bird bath will take the boat out most of the time if we have a chance on the weekends, because we can't do it during the week because of school. So we'll see you at the next pond.
Well, I wasn't recording, but I just caught probably the biggest bluegill of my life on a wacky rig. Caught a little dinker bass before that, so 3 fish for me for the day. Feeling good. Hoyt still caught a bunch, which is awesome. Awesome day for fishing. Don't you agree, young lad? Right now I'm just throwing a wacky rig. Wacky rig on a spinning rod. Simple. Closing up shop. We're gonna row back and get to the truck and go home. What a day, huh? It's awesome. And it's only 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime, but we have to go back. Look, he got another one. Oh yeah, you did. Can you get him out? Oh, I thought I had one.
They're out there.